This is a brief demonstration of the gathering tool that I posted earlier today. The first thing to notice is you come up with a UID and you come up with a PID, or process ID if you will. You don't have to register anything, but just understand that if you don't use a unique combination of UID and PID, then you'll have data collision. Your data is going to be merged with someone else's. So come up with something that's unique, right? Which wouldn't be pretty unique. And let's say that I'm checking my CPU usage, and the value is at 10%, right? So when I do that, the server is going to create the necessary folders and necessary information needed to store this info. So I store that, and it comes back with result OK. Let's say some time passes and another sample comes in, and this value is 30, and off we go, right? Now we have a grand total of 2 samples in the database, and I can go and see a graph of those 2 samples by going to this page and then entering the same UID and PID combination that I had before. So that would be modem, which was the UID, and CPU, which is the process ID. And there you go, there's your graph. So the purpose really is that, let's say I would create another one looking for my hard drive. I could then go to just replace the PID with the HDD. This is only one sample, we're only going to see that. Let me add another sample and another one, just so that we have some more, a little bit more interesting information. The graphing API is Canvas.js, so I just nicked that off the network or off the internet. It automatically scales everything so it has the appropriate values. So this might come in handy sometime for debugging purposes. And it doesn't require you to install anything on this machine that you're sampling, and you can add these webhooks to IFT and Zapier and other services like that. Thank you.